So, hello everyone. I'm Zhou Xiao, an easy-stack cloud engineer from China. So today I will make a speech about how CI/CD as a culture affects our daily work in our company on behalf of my colleague Zhang Longfei. Because of something, he can't participate in this meeting. So let's begin. And I will tell it from three aspects. The first, why CI/CD is so important. As we can see from the picture, there are many products in this picture, and it means the more products means the urgent request for CI/CD automation. And so I will show the CD evolution in my company. In the early time, our company have no CI/CD infra team, and each team, they maintain their own scripts, like they build images and make RPMs and make IOSs. And we manually in work scripts build resources and then tell other teams to continue until all the needed resources are ready. And I think this solution is very bad and efficiency is the worst. And our product release time usually takes several weeks. And release product means suffering. I think it is terrible. So then we build our CI/CD infra team, and we choose Jenkins pipeline to build all the tasks, like build images, RPMs, or ISO. So we deploy our product in OpenStack. We call the deploy mode is OS, and we may ask our developer to merge patch before they test fully. So then we integrate more and more stages to pipelines to make our CD become more and more stronger, and we may run more and more tests in deployed environment, like runtime test after we install in our environment, and may run commercial storage test, host tree, and scale environment test to make sure our environment is okay and flexible. So we also compare our upgrade environment with the install environment, like RPM versions, images, and we also use room disk to reduce our CD time to improve performance, because run a complete CD takes too much time. So next, in the future, we want to cover unmerged the patch test. So we also want to run fault injection test. For example, we deploy our environment, and we pull off one node, and we should ensure that our environment is flexible, is okay. So we also want to Kubernetes to run some test jobs instead of using virtual machines, because it can save many resources. So we also want to use ChatOps to integrate some tests. It makes CD become more and more easier. So next I will show our CD workflows in Everydays. Our CI will run tests and merge the code that fix bugs and get developer features in every day. So at night, our CD works. They will build images, make iOS, and deploy our environment through OS. It means we deployed our products in OpenStack, and we may upgrade our product from the older version to new. So we may run tests for both new version environment and our install environment. So we may compare the difference between install and upgrade environment and send the result to us. So after the night, the next day, everyone come to work will use a new deployed environment, which contains their latest code, and they can continue to do the rest work. So what I think, what is CI/CD culture and CICD's benefits? We build our CD from 0 to 1, and I think every engineer should know that CI/CD is very important. So their daily work should not break our CI/CD chain first, and it means that before they merge their code, they should test fully and CI/CD first. Before develop a new feature, they need to think CI/CD first, like all the needed tests and checklist need to have. So CD helps to improve our engineering efficiency and save the hard cost for our company. So accelerate our cloud products release path. So that's all. Thank you.